In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable power-ups in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Trello board. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account at Trello.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to your main workspace. You should see all your boards listed there. Click on the specific board where you want to disable a power-up. This is where all the fun begins. Next, we need to access the Power-Ups panel. Look at the top menu of your board. You should see an option labeled Power-Ups. Click on that. This action will open a special panel that showcases all the power-ups currently enabled for that specific board. It's like a mini control center for all the enhancements you've added. Once you have the Power-Ups panel open, it's time to locate the power-up that you want to disable. Take a moment to scroll through the list of enabled power-ups. When you find the specific one you want to remove, you'll see a settings button next to it. This button might look like a gear icon, depending on the interface. Go ahead and click on that settings button. Now, here's where the magic happens. Inside the settings menu for that power-up, you'll find an option labeled Disable. Click on that. But wait, Trello will ask you to confirm your action with a prompt. Don't worry, this is just a safeguard. To finalize the removal, click on Disable Power-Up. And just like that, you've disabled the power-up you wanted to remove from your board. But we're not quite done yet. Let's verify the change. After you disable the power-up, you'll notice that any extra buttons, fields, or integrations associated with it will disappear from your cards and board view. This means it's successfully removed. The best part? Your board and its core data remain completely intact. If you decide later that you want to re-enable that power-up, you can easily do so from the Power-Ups Marketplace. So in summary, disabling a power-up in Trello is quite straightforward. You log into your account, navigate to your specific board, access the Power-Ups panel, find the power-up you want to remove, disable it, and confirm your action. Lastly, you can verify that it's all done and dusted. If you're someone who likes to keep things neat and organized, this is an invaluable process. It allows you to streamline your Trello experience and make sure that only the features you actively use are taking up space on your boards. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tips and tricks for Trello and other productivity tools. Until next time, happy organizing!